Once we know each hand of the C major scale, we can put them together and play it with two hands. But this is a bit trickier, because our thumb unders and three overs happen in different places in each hand, so we need to slow right down so we've got time to think about what happens next. First, get your hand in position. Left hand finger 5 on low C, and right hand finger 1 on middle C. We're going to play one note at a time. 5 in the left and 1 in the right. 4 in the left and 2 in the right. 3s together. 2 in the left and right hand thumb underneath to F. Thumb in the left and 2 in the right. Finger 3 over to A in the left and finger 3 in the right. Finger 2 in the left and finger 4 in the right. Thumb in the left and 5 in the right. And back down. 2 and 4. 3s together. Left hand thumb underneath. 2 and 1. 3s together. 4 and 2. 5 and 1. If you could keep up with that, then we're going to try again with a metronome. You're going to hear 4 clicks and then you're in.